How to fix AMD driver installation or update stuck at 64% or 99% in Windows 11. Hello friends, you might be experiencing this annoying issue when trying to install the AMD driver manually or updating the AMD driver through Windows Update. The installation process or update process stuck to 64% or 99%. However, there is a weird trick to fix this issue. Follow those steps. When the installation or update is stuck at either 99% or 64%, then launch Task Manager. Right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. In the Task Manager, simply expand the AMD software, expand it by clicking on this arrow and kill the subtask. Kill this subtask, right click on the and select end task. Then the process will be restored. If the process is not restored, try to again install the AMD software. The issue should be fixed now. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.